Hi, in this quick video, I want to show you how you can deploy your Emergent AI app to Google Play Store. So firstly, you want to have some app created. If you don't have one, you just want to switch from this full stack app to mobile app, and then you will write your prompt, and then you're gonna hit enter and wait for Emergent to create your app. And once you have your app, you will see like preview like this. So this is your mobile, and here you should see your preview of your app. So you can test it if everything works. So I can add more water intake, let's say, or decrease it. So you want to make sure to test your app. And then you need to click on take your app live or deploy. So you need to have your app deployed to be able to access your iOS or APK file. You need to pay 50 credits per month to have your app deployed. So when I click start the deployment, this will start deploying your site and you just need to wait. And then once your site is live, you should see something like this. Your app is live, and from here you can manage your distribution. So you can click either get iOS builds or get Android builds. So if you want to publish it to Google Play Store, you're going to click on this Android builds and then click on generate new build. From here you want to name your app. So let's say, I don't know, test. You can upload your app icon. Just make sure the file is 512 by 512. And then you can upload it like this, and this is your app icon. And then you can keep this default, and I'm gonna click on continue. And it basically works same for Apple iOS file also. So you just need to fill a couple of details, and then it will generate a file of your app. And after your file is created, you will see version 1.0.0, and next to it you can see APK and AAB file. So if I click on it, it will start downloading my file, as you can see. So this is my APK, and you can also download this AAB file. And then once you have those two files, if you click on this little question mark, how to test and publish your app, from here you have step-by-step guide how you can do it. So firstly, you can test your app. So get the APK on your phone. Then you want to open the APK file and allow permissions and install. And once your app is tested and everything works, you can click on publish your app. And now you want to go to developer.android.com, and from here you want to create Google Play Console account. So basically developer account. So you need to click on sign in. When you have your developer account, you need to create a new app in Play Console, and you're gonna add some basic details like name, language, and you want to choose app bundle AAB as the upload format. And then you're gonna upload AAB file which you downloaded. Next, you will complete store listing and settings. So like something like app description, screenshots, category. And finally, you will review and publish your site. Firstly, Google will review your app, and once they submit it, you can publish your app live. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.